Hi guys, we're at the trains. SD70 Mac. SD70 Mac is back this way. Hold on. We'll get close to him. We're on a CSX SD40-2. The SD70 Mac is back that way. There it is, my SD70 Mac. My SD70 Mac. I don't think you can get in these though. They're locked. Oh, there it is. There's my baby. Okay, folks. Going back on the SD40. A big engine in there. SD40-2. CSX. We're on CSX SD40-2. CSX SD70 Mac. There's a ton of them down there. They're scrapping them all. Signals are red on both lanes. Hold on. Let's get to the SD70 Mac. Here it is, the SD70 Mac. Maybe we can yell on this one and check out the engine. Ugh. Hell yeah. It's 8835. Whoa. Went through here. Wow, check it out of that engine. That's the 60M. Oh my gosh, it's open.